Hello and welcome back to How to TV. I'm your host, Mark Helvaleo. And for this topic that we are going to discuss right now is about the questions of how to make a simple script. Okay, since we tackle late a recent video that we have for the bash command. Right now we're going to make a script. Okay, we're still using AWS right here right now, and I'm currently open the terminal to my server. Okay, what we're going to do right now is we're creating a script. We need to open some editor. Okay, you can use VI in here, but first we will make a directory on here, on this one. Okay, directory for this for our tutorial, and then we're going to go to the script folder. Okay, so just a bonus to you guys that this command right now is for the bash command is I'm making right now directory name script, and the next one, if this is true, he will execute another script command, which is change the directory. I'm going in the script folder. Okay, so if you notice, I'm here right now in the script. So if you're going to pwd, we have a script folder, and then we go inside in the script. Okay, here is the magica right now. We're executing right now for the script. Okay, we will name our script. Okay, I'll be using beam and then sample script. Okay, we're going to name our script to sample, and the extension should be HS, which is script shell. Okay, I'm going to insert a file. For us to start with the script, we're going to use a binary which is run by bash. So if your Linux server or your operating system is using different shell like SS or corn shell, so we should do that. But since our default bash script right now is using as a bash script, our binary right now is using bash script, we're using this one. What we're going to do right now is we're going to utilize the AWS CLI. Okay. As for now, this echo will, if you're familiar with echo from any programming language, this will print the whole sentence here. Okay, for example, we're going to use to output the S3 bucket. Okay, we're going to use AWS here. Okay, but before that, we're going to check if, let's close again now. For us to close our editor for VI, just exit, and then we're going to colon and then W, or stands for write, and then quit. Okay, for us to check that the AWS CLI has been installed, type the command AWS. If this command that we enter is give us this kind of output, meaning we're ready to go to use any AWS command right now. Okay, going back to our VI sample shell script. So we're going to AWS. Okay, we're going to use the AWS command and S3, which is S3 bucket. We're going to check if there's S3 that being created for our AWS. Okay, and then the next one is we're going to echo another command, which is will list the EC2 instances. Okay, and then the command would be EC2. Okay, so if you are not familiar with this command of AWS, you can check with your browser and search for documents AWS Amazon, which is AWS CLI command reference. You can see there's a bunch of command here for AWS. But if you're familiar with the Linux command, same process. You have the list here, or ls, or cd, same process. Okay, so going back here to our editor that we have been created a simple script. Right now we're going to EC2 describe instance. Okay, instances okay, and then we're going to grep and this command for JQ, which is for JSON, and we're going to for now we're going to use this command, but later we will improve that. Another command is echo. We will output the lambda list of lambda. Okay, and the command should be lambda this functions, and we're going also to print the list of IAM that we created in our AWS. Okay, AWS IAM list users. Sorry about that, there's a dash on here. Okay, and there we go. Okay, we're going to execute this one. But this if this output occur in your workstation, in your monitor right now, so meaning you need to change the mode on this one. Okay, make it executable. Okay, change mode, and then I'm going to add an executable for the sample. Okay, meaning if you're going to ls this one, it become green, meaning we can execute this our bin binary. Okay, so we're going to back again twice to our dot sample. We're going to execute the command that we have been stated in our script. Okay, it may be been long, but we're going to improve that. Okay, as for now, we're going to exit this one, so clear screen or command L. Okay, we're going to improve that, guys. Here in our script, and back, since this part of the list of instances gave us a long list, we're going to describe particular what we're going to ask. Okay, for example, we're going to ask for a certain instance ID that we have been created. Okay, but we have something to do after this one. Okay, going to insert, and then type 1 should be the next command we're going to do. It is true, and then we're going to reserve. This is jQuery, JSON, guys, command. So if you're familiar with JSON, this is JSON. Okay, a moment. Reservations, and then array, and then the next one array would be the stances query array, and then which of the array inside of instance we will going to output only. Okay, since we're asking, we're going to output this instance ID. It should be the answer. Okay, that's it. So if you're going to exit and save, write and queue, and there you go. I'm going to execute it. S3 bucket, we have one. The list is instance that we have in. Okay, so if you notice, we list the instance ID. Okay, only one instances. Okay, so if you're going to check here in our, if we're going to check here, we have one instances, which is this one, right? Okay, that's right. Okay, the name of IAM users should be this one, and we're good. That's the simple script that we have to do. Okay, if you want to put it into a new to the next file, you can do that in forward it every time you output it, so it will modify the files. Like for example, we're going to demo to you guys now. Going to demo you guys. There's something that I missed. One, we need to set. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, we're going to set -x, meaning we're going to use this one and input only one list per output of in our terminal. And then what I'm trying to say right earlier is we're going to put it in our new files, names, resources, tracker. Okay, here in our lambda, we can also modify below the resources tracker. Okay, this one, trackers, and that's it. Okay, go to save it, and then let's check again. Okay, as you can see, it's become more attractive than the recent output that we have. Okay, listen. Okay, so that's only the tutorial, no? Tutorial that we've been resolved right now. So how to create a simple shell script by using AWS CLI command. So we'll already do that. Okay, that's a simple script that we do. I hope that this video is can be helpful to you guys, to your end.